Hello guys, today I am going to unbox and review a Raspberry Pi 3 Model B. As you can see here, it cost about 3,499, as you can see, and here you can see the Raspberry Pi logo is there, and on the back side of the box it is said that it is made in United Kingdom, and you can see nothing else is in the box. So let's unbox. As you can open the box, you will see the Raspberry Pi in a static shielding plastic bag. Let's keep it aside and have a look what else in there. You can see that it's a startup guide and you can see the safety information and regulatory compliance, and for safe use you can here is the Raspberry Pi Model B version 1.2. As you can see, here are the GPIO pins, and here is the display. Here is a power port, which you can see a standard micro USB. Here is the HDMI port for connecting to a monitor or TV you want. Here is the camera slot. Here is the audio jack, audio video jack, and on the right side you can see RJ45 connector to connect it to internet, and here you can see 4 USB ports. These two are 2.0 and these two are 3.0, and on the back side of is you can see one chip like it is there, and here is this SD card. As it does not use hard disk, it use SD card as hard disk like we use on computer. And you can see this is the processor. It heats, that's why I had installed here a heat sink, and here is the RAM. You can see I had here also installed the RAM. So let's go on and check how this Raspberry Pi works. I load the Raspbian on SD card and have a look.